In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name. Whether you're rebranding or just looking for a fresh start, updating your store name is a simple but important step in shaping your business identity. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several categories for different parts of your store. Click on General. This is where your store's basic information is managed. In the general settings, look for the field labeled Store Name. Next to your current name, you'll see a pencil icon. Click it, and a box will appear where you can type in your new store name. Go ahead and enter your new name. Since this becomes part of your brand identity, take a moment to double-check spelling and formatting to make sure it looks exactly the way you want. Once you're happy with it, click the Save button, usually found at the top or bottom right of the page. This makes your new store name official, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify store name. The change may take a little time to update across all areas of your account, but you should see it reflected in your dashboard and store settings right away. I hope this guide helped you update your store name with confidence. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Shopify tips to help you manage and grow your business.